Here it is. It's kind of filling up, but all you have to do, I did it the wrong way. Make sure this part is flipped over. I flipped this part over. I had it the wrong way. Then you screw this bottle into that, and then it'll be fine. And this the blue light is pretty bright, but I mean, can't beat it though. I mean, it's filling up. Look, it's fogging up. I believe it's pretty good though. At least I ain't got to spray a lot. I think she'll actually like it. Yeah. I think this is pretty cool. So, but I guess I'm gonna put some aluminum foil so you won't mess this up. Bring out the humidity out of it. Yeah, that looks dope. That looks dope. Oh man. Man, get it hanging out right there. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. But I'm sure some of it coming out because I got this vent open. And I got, see that over there? I got that whole spot open. I gotta get something to close that up. But either way it goes, it's still filling up though. It's still filling up. I believe this is amazing. Had it running for like about 2 minutes now. Yeah, it is pretty cool. I'm gonna put the other stuff in there. Let's see. Where's the other stuff at? Don't laugh at my pants, guys. Don't laugh at my pants. But yeah, I got about this. Trees. Well, whatever it is. Tangerine. I believe she would like this. Gonna hook that up. Yeah, man, it looks nice. It looks weird because it's empty and shit, but it's gonna look dope in there, y'all. It's gonna look dope. Damn, it's getting foggy as shit in there. But yeah, man. If you guys have any questions, just let me know. I will be happy to answer them. And I got this as well. I got this light bulb. It's pretty cool though. I like it. I used it, but I just put it back in the box to make sure it worked because the other item I had, it didn't work. So I was trying to make sure that worked too. But it worked. But yeah. If you guys got any questions, let me know. Subscribe, like, and share, and comment. I'll be happy to answer everything you guys need to know. Just let me know. All right, bye guys.